guys, welcome back! I'm so glad you clicked on this video because days ago I just discovered a new method in making money online where we can earn $2 again and again. What I love about this is that the earning potential in this video or for today's method is unlimited. And again, I'm so glad you clicked on this video because as always, I will be walking you through all the steps on how to make money online, and this way we can earn money together. In my past videos, I have been telling you guys not to skip any part or not to go directly to the website because you might end up not earning anything at all. And that procedure applies here in this video too, because I don't want you guys to, spend a lot of time just try to figure it out yourself when you can just watch this video for like a short time and then do the method correctly. But before we dive into the video, welcome to Mr. Mac Money, where we teach you the latest tips and tricks in making money online. Go ahead and smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever I post new content like this. Like this video and leave a comment down below if you have questions. Now let's go back to the video. Alright, so for today's website, this one right here has 3 different steps. And it's really easy. The first one is to download the application right here. And then next is to find and add offers. And then third and lastly, get real cashback. Alright, now a lot of people who tried this website end up not earning anything at all because they didn't know what to do. We actually only need one feature from this website, and that'll make us $2 again and again. Now, in order for you to do that, again, stick with me and don't skip any part of this video. So what is this website? As you can see right here, get cashback on groceries and so much more. So this is a cashback application. All you have to do is download this application or browser extension today and get up to $20 in free back-to-school offers. But you don't have to worry because you won't have to do that. You won't have to spend anything at all for this. This is not how we will be making money from this website. Well, obviously, yeah, you can save more money with cashback, but that's not what we're gonna do. Aside from that, what I love about this website is that this is available on your mobile phone. So whether you're using an Android or an Apple device, you can do this. And aside from that, you can also do this on your laptop or on your computer. Now, before we proceed, guys, I want you to comment down below what device you're usually using. Do you always use your phone or are you on your laptop or computer most of the time? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, so today's website is called Ibotta or Ibotta. It actually depends on how you pronounce it, but let me just call it Ibotta. And this is over at home.ibotta.com. Again, that's home.ibotta.com. Again, this is a cashback application, and as you can see right here, you can download it, you can add or find some offers, and then you can get real cashbacks. And if you scroll down here below, you can see that this is partnered with a lot of different big brands. We have here GameStop, we have Expedia, we have Petco, Ulta, we also have Staples, and we have Walmart right here, which means that if you go to Walmart, if you go to Petco, then you can use this application as you buy things or as you buy your needs, and then you will get cashback. With cashback, you can save a lot. But again, we're not focusing on that method because we'll be doing something different. I'm just showing you guys that this is a legit website where they are partnered with massive brands like this. The only downside of their cashback is that this is only available in like the first world countries, and this is not available worldwide, so that is why we're not focusing on that, okay? We'll be focusing on somewhere else where we can earn $2 again and again. So as you can see right here, if you use this website or if you use this application, you can save up to this amount of money. You can save 75 cents, you can save up to $4.50, and that is quite a lot already. This is a really great way to save money online. Also, if you have this application or if you have this extension on Chrome, you have exclusive offers for grocery orders. Okay, right now, if we scroll down here below, you can see that the cashback paid out to savers to date is over $1 billion, and that is a lot. $1 billion is absolutely a lot. Ibotta savers are raking in the cash right now. Okay, so if you're still doubting this website, I want you to scroll down here below and you can see a lot of testimonials from people who have used or who have been using Ibotta for a long time now and who have saved money by using their cashback application. But the question is, how are we going to make $2 again and again without using the cashback feature? How are we going to make more money with this? Alright guys, so let's proceed to the next part, which is downloading this application. I want you to download this if you're going to use this on your mobile phone. So whether you're using an Android or an Apple device, you can do this. Now, if you're using a computer or a laptop, then what I want you to do is scroll down to the bottom of this page, and right here just beneath Work With Us, I want you to click on Affiliates. Okay, so right here you can see that you can earn extra cash as an Ibotta affiliate partner. So if you go down here below, you can earn $2 per referred registration. Alright, so what does this mean? This means that if you refer someone, if you invite someone to go to this page, sign up, you will earn money. Now, how will you do that? Easy. All you have to do is just tell them that they can earn $20 cashback if they use this application. So what they need to do is sign up to this website and download the application in order for you to earn $2. Now, you don't have to worry anything at all because, guys, I will be walking you through the steps on how to do this and how to set this up on complete autopilot. Now, if you scroll down here below, you can see that the affiliate partners of this program have earned over $500 million with this just by referring people. And you know what? If you have questions about getting paid, scroll down here below. They have frequently asked questions right here and click on this one. How do I get paid? And as you can see, you'll get paid directly by Impact Radius. $2 for every user referred directly from your website or social channels. But you don't have to worry if you don't have any social media following, if you don't have Facebook followers, if you don't have YouTube subscribers, because I'll show you a method where you can do this on autopilot with another website that'll drive traffic to our affiliate link. Right, so before we proceed to the next step, I want you guys to comment down below on how you're feeling right now. How are you despite this pandemic? And how have you been coping? Are you okay? Let me know in the comment section down below. Alright guys, now that we're back, what I want you to do is scroll the way up to the top again and then click on this Become an Affiliate button right here, this blue button right here. Then you'll land on this page right here where you can see that for every registration, you earn $2. For every extension download, the Chrome download, you get $2. And do you know why I like this method? It's because this is just a referral method or a referral feature, which means you don't have to sell anything to them. They don't have to purchase anything, which is really easy for them because they can save money. And all you have to do is just tell them that they can save money with this website or this application, and it'll be really easy for them to just sign up for free, download this application, or add this as an extension than buying something from you, right? Now, what you'll do next is scroll down here below, just scroll a little bit to complete your application, and then you can add here your basic demographic details. And then right here below, you can see that here on the website, this is important, okay? This part right here is very important. So right here on website, what you'll need to do is you're going to add the link of the website which we will be using where we can drive traffic to our link or to our affiliate link. Now, I'll show you that in a bit. Just stay with me, okay? Also here in country, you can see that it's United States. You can select United States or you can select your country, but actually you can just select United States. You can use a VPN for this. There are free VPNs. You can download them and then you can use United States. Now, after you fill up all of this right here, a verification email will be sent to you, and then you'll have to verify your email, of course, and then you can access your account. Once you log into your account, you will then get your affiliate link, and that will be the affiliate link which we'll be using so that people will click on it. Now, before we proceed to the next step, I want you guys to comment down below where you come from so that in the future I can make more videos about making money online that'll work in your country. Now let's go back to the video. Okay, right now, in order for you to drive traffic to your link, you have to promote your link, right? You can do this on your social media accounts if you want to. You can use Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Reddit. You can even use Instagram if you like. You can use any social media platform. But for me, in this video, I'll teach you guys where to go. This right here is Trendry.com. Now, what is Trendry.com? This is a make money forum where a lot of people from all over the world come over here to talk about making money online. What I also love about this website is that the community is always thankful for whatever you share, because whatever they share here will help them earn money, or in our case, will help them save money with Ibotta.com. Now, if you look at here below, you can see that there are a lot of different forum categories. We have make money, passive income, paid survey, affiliate programs, and so much more even here down below. Now for this tutorial, let me just click on affiliate programs right here and go to this page, or we'll be redirected to this page right here where you can see that there are a lot of different threads. Now, aside from that, let me show you how make money threads look like. Now let me just click on the make money category right here and we'll be redirected to this page where you can see that there are also a lot of different threads right here. Now, if you sign up, if you register here for free here on Trendry.com, you'll be able to make your own post, your own forum. You can start a forum right here and you can enter your affiliate link. All you have to do is just explain to them that they can earn money if they refer other people to your link, or they can save money if they sign up and use this application whenever they shop on those partnered stores or Ibotta's partnered stores. Now, I know that a lot of people will click on your link and sign up for free because that is actually gonna help them. I mean, who wouldn't want to save money as they shop, right? Now, all you have to do is just sign up again to Ibotta, get your affiliate link, go back to Trendry.com, post your affiliate link right here, or you can post it on your social media accounts as well. And that is how you make money with this method and how you earn $2 passively. And that's it! If you've learned something from this video, please don't forget to smash the like button, hit subscribe, and don't forget the notification bell as well. And as always, if you have questions, just go to the comment section here below and comment your thoughts, opinions, and your questions. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!